lemon pistachio checkerboard cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 3/4 of a cup of butter that's set room temperature. Add to that 3/4 of a cup of sugar and cream those things together until they are light and fluffy. Then we'll add in an egg and you're going to continue to beat the egg in. Once that's all beaten in, add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you're going to blend in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a little bit at a time until completely combined. Then take that dough, divide it in half. To one of the halves, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of finely grated lemon zest and a couple of drops of yellow food coloring. Then you can use your hands to knead that in. I just use my mixer. Once it's mixed, set it aside. To the other half, we're going to add a couple drops of green food coloring, 1/4 cup of finely chopped pistachios, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. And then blend that until it's a uniform color of green. Then divide your dough balls again into half and then roll them out into 12-inch rope shapes. So you'll have 2 yellow rope shapes that are lemon flavor and you'll have 2 green rope shapes that have the pistachio flavor. Place a yellow and a green side by side. Just gently press them together. And then you're going to pick up the green one and put it on top of the yellow, and then the yellow on top of the green. And that way you'll get your checkerboard pattern. Now, all you have to do here is just pat it into a square shape. So I just kept turning it and patting it, trying to get as square as possible. Then you're going to transfer this to a cookie sheet. You can cut it in half if you want, if it's too long. And then you're going to chill this overnight or put it in the freezer and chill it for an hour or 2. You want it to be very firm because when you cut it, the slices like I'm doing right now, you don't want it to deform and you want to keep that nice checkerboard square shape that you have. So cut it into about 1/4-inch slices using a sharp knife, and then you just have to place them on a cookie sheet, one that's covered with parchment paper. I use an insulated cookie sheet covered with a silicone mat. They don't spread very much, so you can leave about 1 inch in between and just arrange them on your cookie sheet. And then you're going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or so until golden on the bottom. These are a little bit crunchy on the outside, a little softer on the inside. Nice lemon flavor for the yellow part and a nice pistachio for the green. Not super strong flavors, but a really nice cookie. And they look awesome and they'll be fantastic on a Christmas cookie platter. Hope you give these a try. Now, another similar kind of cookie that has different colored layers are these cherry cheesecake cookies. These are delicious and also look great on a cookie platter. Thank you for watching.